Hey, my name is Ben. Thanks for stopping by. This is Ruben.
Hello.
We're doing a test of the GoPro Hero 7 Black's 4K 60 frames per second. And to do that, we figured we would just do a little bit of shooting since we're shooting. Okay, so the top circle right here is going to be Ruben's spot, or do you want the top or the bottom?
I'll take the top.
Okay, and then I'll take the bottom. So Ruben's got his, or A.
Yeah, this is a Ruger Mark II, was it Medallion Edition?
Okay.
So, really fancy. See, it's got a medallion on the clip too.
Yep, and it's a 10 round, 10 round magazine.
Yep. Got this on a gun auction today. I've never shot it.
So we're gonna try it out.
I'm really excited to test it out.
So how far back do you want to stand? Maybe like stand over here.
Right over here?
Right about there. Yeah, you comfortable with that?
Sure, that looks good.
Okay, sounds good. So again, 4K 50 or 60 frames per second.
Alright. Yep, chambered.
And shoot at whatever pace you want.
Oh, gotta take it off. Safe. Now it's on fire. Pretty consistently high.
Wow, no
That's the last
malfunctions
round.
at all. That was beautiful.
Alright, yep. We're good.
Nice. All right, my turn. You gonna tip it up a little bit?
Yep.
So here I have my Buckmark, Browning Buckmark. It also has a 10 round magazine. It's also a semi-automatic. So we'll go ahead and rack the slide to chamber around. Oh, gotta take it off safety. And now we're ready to fire here. Okay, Ruben's gonna take the camera. Yep, here you go. And you can touch the screen to turn the screen on if it doesn't stay on. So just watch where the rounds eject.
Do they eject out of the right?
Yeah, they should, but don't. But watch where they come out first so that they don't hit the camera.
Sure.
And then you can adjust as you see fit. Okay, I'm shooting the bottom one. What's going on here? It's failure to fire. That's the last one, locked open. Here, I'll manually feed this one. See if it wants to go on the second try.
There we go. Oh wow, nice grouping.
Okay, but wait, you can see your grouping there too. So.
And then it tipped over and then I was shooting into it this way.
Yeah. Okay, I'm curious. This actually shot more accurately than I thought it was going to. Well, I mean, I didn't really know, but...
That's very accurate.
Yeah. I think I'm pleased with it. What do you like? Well, okay, we'll switch. We're going to switch and go back and forth and see which one we think is better. But for purposes of this test is concluded. Again, we were testing the GoPro Hero 7 Black at 60 frames per second in 4K. All right, thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you in the next video. See ya.